Brilliance of my dentist. I had all my upper teeth removed at the beginning of the year because I had this constant infectious process. So I've been toothless since January of this year. Now I got that implant bridges in. I need another implant here, and then all my upper teeth will be implants. So my dentist, God bless her, did this for me. For the meantime. Now, I could, but I won't eat with these or anything like that. So I'm home, just off work, and I don't have to be as presentable anymore. So I'll take them. And you'd be surprised at how well you learn to eat with no teeth, and it's actually more comfortable than with the denture.